Hello everyone and welcome to another Looker Studio tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to change the colors of our charts and graphs in Looker Studio. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's take things one at a time. First of all, scorecards. How can I change the color of a scorecard? So let's say here I'm going to select views. We are going to go on the right hand side, click on style, and here under labels we can click the font color, and let's make this, for example, pink. And that's how easy it is to change the color of a scorecard. You can even, let's say, align everything in the center. We can change also the font, but that's a different story. Let's go into something more interesting. So here we have a column chart. How can I change this blue to something else? I'm going to go again on the right hand side, click on style, and here where it says color by, I'm going to click on blue, and I'm going to change this to orange. Now, because this is a column chart, if we have more than one metric, so let's say here we have views, we are going to have also sessions, and maybe we are going to have new users. So 3 metrics. So now that we have 3 metrics, what we can do is we can go to style again, and we can change, for example, views to blue. We can change sessions to pink, and we can change new users to green, right? So now you can change the color of every metric. Let's go now to a different example. We have a pie chart. Now with a pie chart, we have more options. Again, we're going to select our pie chart. We're going to go under style. The first option is here that says color by. We go into single color. So we can choose, for example, to make everything a shade of pink. Now that's not very comfortable. Some of you may like it. I don't personally. So we have other options. We can go by slice order. So slice order from the biggest slice to the smaller slice. We can click here on every box, and let's say we make the very big slice blue. The second one, we make it orange. The third one, we make it light blue. The fourth one, we make it, let's say, yellow, and so forth. So you have an option to change the color by slice order. And we have another option, which is really cool, which is dimension values, right? So dimension values, it makes more sense as an example if we are, let's say, to do it with genders. So let's say we have genders, right? So we have female, male, and unknown. So what I can do here is I can go to style. I can select here color by dimension values. I can click the pen. And now here I'm going to use the search bar. I'm going to find male. I'm going to click in the box, and I'm going to make this blue. And then I'm going to click on female, and I'm going to make it light pink. And then I'm going to use the search bar again to find unknown, and then I'm going to make it gray. And now voila, you see that everything makes sense. So male is blue, female is pink, and the big unknown slice is gray. So in pie charts, whether you are talking genders, age groups, channels, you name it, you can actually follow the same approach. Style, dimension values, click the pen symbol, and change the color of this dimension. Now, tables. Last example. A table is a very versatile creature, I would say. We can do a lot of things with tables, especially when it comes to styling. So we're going to select the table here. We're going to go under style. And the first thing that we can do, here we have table colors. We have 4 drop-down menus. The first drop-down menu is for the header background. So what is now gray, I can click here and I can make it blue. The drop-down menu here on top, header font color, it will say in the small letters, is the header font here. So age group and views, let's make this white. The second drop-down menu here, it says cell border color. So let's say we want to make the borders black. So we're going to select black. This option here is the odd rows, and the next option is the even rows. So for example, unknown is row number 1, is odd. 18 to 24 is row number 2, is even. So I can click this drop-down menu, and I can make all the odd rows light blue. And I can click here and I can make all the even rows light yellow. And that's how easy it is to actually change the colors on a table. Now, I said that tables are very versatile, so we can actually click here on chart. We can convert this to a heat map, for example. And now we have a heat map. How can you customize the colors in the heat map? Again, you select the table, you go to style, you scroll down, and you see here metric 1. We can change this to purple. Metric 2, we can change this to orange, and that's it. That's how easy it is to customize the colors in a heat map. That's it for this video. I hope that you now know a lot about how to change colors in Looker Studio. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and have a great day in